What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here from richardhairston.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best affiliate marketing tools for beginners so you can finally make some money in 2022. Now, I want you to understand something. When I first started this online marketing journey or internet marketing journey, affiliate marketing journey, look, I struggled to make money online. And there was a reason why I struggled. I struggled because I had this shiny object syndrome. Okay, I was suffering from that because I was jumping from different business opportunity to different business opportunity, trying to make this thing work, spending money on this product, spending money on that service, spending money on these tools. Finally, I come to realize, and it took me a minute to learn this, that you only need two tools to be successful online. Now, we're talking about the tools that you need. This is not including the training and the traffic, but you only need two tools. And if you have these two tools and learn how to master these two tools, then you can have some success online. And I want to share those two tools with you. And I'm just going to be straight up with you in this video. And I really don't care what anybody else says, about all these other software, ManyChat or whatever other softwares. You really don't need those tools. I'm not saying they don't have their place, but you really don't need it. The only thing you need is a funnel builder. And number two, you need an autoresponder. Okay, the funnel builder is so you collect leads. The autoresponder so you can build the email list with those leads. Now, you don't want to just be putting anybody on your email list. You still need to have an audience, okay, that's attracted to you, and an audience whose problems you are trying to solve, okay? So you are attracting them through you by way of video, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever it is that you're doing. You need these tools. Now, a lot of people are going to tell you don't need an email list. Don't believe that, okay? If Facebook shut you down, I keep saying this, if Facebook shut you down, Instagram shut you down, whatever platform you're on, if they shut you down and you don't have an email list, now you got to start from scratch all over again, trying to build up on another platform where you could have been getting people off of that platform or those platforms onto your email list. Okay, so you only need two tools: funnel builder and an autoresponder. Now, I'm going to show you the funnel builder that I recommend, but I'm also going to show you, number two, the autoresponder that I recommend. But even with this autoresponder that I'm about to show you, you don't necessarily have to get an outside funnel builder. I just want to keep it real with you, because this actual tool or this autoresponder that I'm about to share with you has a funnel builder on the inside, have a landing page builder, have a website builder, all on the inside. So the choice would be up to you if you want to get access to the funnel builder, okay, that I'm about to show you, and if you want to get response, okay. I recommend you get both of them, but do what's best for you in your pocket. If you are a beginner, this is where I think you should start. In this funnel builder, although it is cheaper than all of the other funnel builders for the price that you're going to pay, I think you're going to be well pleased with that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you this funnel builder. Then we're going to move on to the autoresponder next. Okay, here's the funnel builder that I'm recommending. It just simply quickly build amazing pages and funnels, generate high quality leads, turn those leads into customers and raving fans. You can click the link in the description down there to watch this video, okay? But this funnel builder is only $25 per month, okay? The HBA funnel builder is what it is, okay? Just kind of show you what you're going to get with this funnel builder, then we're going to move on. A small sample is unlimited capture pages, sale pages, webinar pages, membership sites, upsell pages, checkout pages, entire sales funnel, launch site, complete website, countdown timer, analytics, CR. Even as a beginner, you're not going to need half of this stuff, okay? You're only going to need the capture page, okay? And you probably want to, use some countdown timers and the analytics, the CRM, and things like that until you get advanced enough that you can start using these other pages. But for now, you're just going to need the lead capture, the countdown timer, and things like that, because you want to start off slow, then you move up to using other tools that are in this system. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is I'm actually going to take you inside of this funnel builder just to let you see what it is that you can do with it. So here we are inside of the funnel builder. Now these are some of the funnels that I have. Just to give you a quick look around, we're going to start over here to the right. If you notice here, I have my domain name up here at the top. You can connect your own domain name to this. Okay, you can do A and B split testing. You can set up appointments. You can do contact. You can have an e-commerce store. Okay, if you come over here, of course, this is where you log out. You come down here, this is where your pages are going to be located. All of the pages that you have in here, you can set up pop-ups. These pop-ups can be exit pops, or they can just be pop-up like when someone clicks this button here. So you can set up pop-ups in here. Okay, if we go here, that you just simply drag and drop with it, and I'll show you that in a minute. This is a global styling where you can set up different styling for your pages that you create. You have all of your funnels here. If you notice down through here, I have separators, keeping them separate. This is a 3K. This is my escape plan. So another funnel. If I click the arrow, it takes it to the next step in the funnel. I'm split testing these two pages here. Okay, so if I come back over the funnel again, I have other funnels in here, in contact pages, privacy policy, term of service, legal disclaimers. Okay, and so I have all of these. This is a page that I created. So you can get wild, do what you want to do in here. It's unlimited. Have yourself a ball and do what you want to do. You can even promote other products from Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, CPA offers, and things like that. So whatever you feel like you want to create in here, this is what you can create and have yourself, you know, just a simple tool for $25 per month. It's going to help you. But here's the thing about this as well. You get to earn a $20 residual income for anyone you introduce to this system as well, to this funnel builder. Okay, so you get to add, get that. So you can have URL redirects. If you notice, I have here, if you have other autoresponders, if you have other affiliate programs, okay, like Get Response or whatever else, ClickBank product, you can come in here and set up, add a new direct. You will simply give it a name, put the URL you want it to redirect to, click here, choose the 302 redirect, and let it go. Okay, so you can do that unlimited URL redirect. You have personalization, custom code, page SEO, all of that. Okay, and then of course this is where you actually preview the page, and you can show it in a new tab if you want to do that as well. So if I come over here and click up here in this corner right here, if I click on number 3, you'll see if I wanted to put a funnel together, let's say 30-minute workday, what I'll do is simply add a step, come over here and just kind of scroll down through here, see what it is that I'm looking for, let it load up. I simply select that right there and just put 30. I'm just going to put 30 day. You can change this right here to 30 day or whatever, and then click add. Okay, once you add this page in here, it's just as simple as wherever you see these little blocks that you just simply change out the text. Okay, if I want to change out this just 30 minutes per day, or I can just go here and put in daily, you know, just like that. It's simple drag and drop. You can add different images here. If I wanted to edit this image, I simply click on edit, click on the plus sign, and have some images that I uploaded, and I can put in this image right here if I wanted to. Okay, so all of this here, it's just plain and simple. If I wanted to add another page, I just simply come over here to funnels, come to add a new step, new page, go to the thank you bridge pages, and see what we got over here. We got all of these templates that you can use. I'll just simply come up here, something close and similar to it, select, name it 30-day thank you, something like that there. 30-day thank you. You can change that right there to 30-day thank you. Click on add. Now it's there. Let's go back over to this page right here. Click on this little arrow right here. Click on this button, this space right here. Click on that. And what we're going to do is drag this up here, and we're going to go to where we wanted to go. Click on that. We're going to go to funnel. In the next funnel step, click the thank you, select it. Let's see. You can add tags and pass on submitted values. So I just want to give you a quickie what you can do with it. We're going to save it. And so when someone enters their information here, they goes over here. It's just a simple page builder. Like I said, you have all of these. If I come back over here, you have all of these templates. If I click on pages, you have all of these templates here that you can go down through here and check out. There are lots of templates inside of there. You can set up sales, down sales, see your analytics, your sales, all of that good stuff. If you come down here in the corner, you can see the desktop view, the tablet view, and the phone view. Okay, so if I click on phone view, you can be able to look at that. Okay, so if we go back to the desktop view, there we go. So this is the funnel builder. I'm not going to go through everything. It's very simple, really self-explanatory. So now let's actually have a look at the autoresponder. So the autoresponder that I recommend is called Get Response. You can get started with Get Response for free just by clicking this button up here in the top. Once you click the button that's in the description below, once you get signed up free, go ahead and click on log in. And I just want to show you a little bit what's going to happen when you log in. You're going to come to a screen like this. You're going to get one list already set up for you. And you don't have to set up any other list, but you can start with that one. But you'll be able to see your list here. You got reports, you got draft. Over here where the little dots are, the menu, this is where your email marketing, this is your autoresponder, all of it. This is where I was talking about you can just use Get Response as your funnel builder as well, because you can create landing pages in here. Okay, and as you see, I have 2 landing pages in here already. You can also use forms and surveys in here. You can create that. I'm not going to go through it. You can do conversion funnels. You can set up all that, create a funnel, API integration, files and images. You can add images in here if you want to look at, if I look at my files, these are all the images I have inside of Get Response as well. Look at my list down through here. You can see all your searches, your statistics, list hygiene, all of that information. You can create a new list here by clicking there. Okay. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what it is you can do with Get Response. Now with Get Response, you get this free forever until you get over 500 actual, leads into your system. Okay, so that's what you're going to get. So it's just that real simple. And like I said, you only need 2 tools. 2 tools: funnel builder, autoresponder. And then you're going to need training, and then you're going to need to learn how to get traffic through the training. Learn how to attract your ideal customer, how to attract them to you instead of you chasing them. So with that being said, if you're ready to get started with the HBA Funnel Builder and Get Response, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Get both of those tools. And once you get the tool with the HBA Funnel Builder, in order to help you build, give you some help and help you along, I have some bonuses that I'm going to give you because I want you to know how to actually market. And so why do I want to help you get in the system without giving you something that's going to help you? So with the bonuses, this is the page. You're actually going to get 300 plus private email swipes that I have that you can get access to, that you can use to email your list. Now I advise you not to use them as they are, but to change them up, to put them into your own voice, to make them yourself. Also, you're going to get of my list leverage bonus here. These are videos that's going to show you how to nurture your list, how to start off with email marketing. Okay, that's going to help you tremendously. And then I'm going to give you my YouTube training. Okay, so in case you want to do YouTube video, you can get started with that right here as well. But not only that, when you scroll down through here, I'm actually going to show you my paid traffic sources that I use. Okay, Udemy, MLM leads, Glenn solo ads, Google ads done for you, easy traffic now, traffic for me, VM connection traffic. Look, I'm trying to give you everything that you're going to need. You just got to get everything set up, and don't worry about that. I'll help you with that as well. But these are the bonuses that you're going to get. Now understand that by the time you see this page, if you decide to sign up, there may be more than 300 emails. I have a bunch of pre-written emails I think I'm going to add to this bonus overall to sweeten it. I have some more bonuses that I'm going to add right here that's going to help with Facebook, okay, and with stories and things like that. So I'm going to add some bonuses here because I really want to help people out. I want you to know that you can do this. And so if you want these bonuses and if you want to get access to my traffic sources, then just go ahead on. Click the links in the description, get response, get HBA funnel builder, get both of those, and I'll send you the bonuses. Even if you get one of them, I'll still send you the bonuses because it's only going to help you to be successful. But I highly suggest that you get both of them by clicking the links in the description below. So with that being said, I want you to subscribe to the channel, but most of all, have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.